Hi everyone, and I'm going to present Tableau in my second video right now. So I'm going to start sharing my screen. Now you can see in the previous video I stopped in this part. So let's close this Tableau view and open a new one. So as you can see that I have loaded multiple datasets in this Tableau view, and I have multiple sheets here. So in this dataset, I have this Kaggle Dream dataset, and yeah, I'm going in this H1B Kaggle Dream dataset. Now let's go to sheet 1. So now we can see that it has different dimensions and measures, and now let's bring the latitude in the rows and then longitude in the column. So it is again showing me the world map. Now I want to locate the country. Let's bring the country in the details. So now you can see that all the countries are in my map, and now I want to relocate this map a little bit to the left side, so I can do it from this toolbar. And if you select in this way, then we can drag it as per our preferences. So now I like this view because it is showing me lots of dots in the centered part, and now I can bring number of records in the detail part. And let's bring CO2 emission in the rows. Now you can see once I drag this CO2 emission in the rows, it has make visible the other visualizations. Like I can see packed bubble. It is Tableau is allowing me to present it in the packed bubble thing, or in the box and whiskers plot, or in this tree map, or the circle view. So first of all, I want to go with the packed bubble visualization. So in this packed bubble visualization, I can see like it is showing me all the countries, and the size of bubble depends upon the CO2 per capita emission, which is in the metric ton. So CO2 per capita emission of Qatar is 2,830 metric ton, which is really huge. That's why Qatar is having the biggest circle out of all of the other countries. Now, if I want different color, then I can drag this country code in the color. So now it's giving me different colored bubbles. And now yeah, so this is all about this packed bubble visualization. And we can also visualize this in pie chart format, but it is not as good. It is not really a good visualization in this Tableau format because the circle size is really small. So let's visualize in some other format. So right now I'm visualizing in horizontal bar, which is not a effective visualization as compared to the circle one. And this horizontal bars visualization is also not showing me all the countries at once. On the other hand, the circle visualization is showing me all the countries on a single page. So again, I cannot see all the names of the bubbles, cause again it will make my map really crowded, and which is not good for visualization, and I don't want this effect, so I have to remove this thing. And I can also see this in a symbolic map visualization. So you can see the carbon emissions of different countries and the bubbles associated with those. Now I want to provide a name to the bubbles, so I can do it like this. Just I need to drag country name 1 to the label, and now it is giving me the name associated with the bubble. Yeah, and the size of the bubble is again associated with the amount of carbon dioxide emission done by that country. So we are kind of done with this visualization. So let's move to sheet 2. Okay, this sheet 2 is again having the same visualization of symbolic maps. And now I'm moving to sheet number 3. So in the sheet number 3, I have shown lines visualization. So in this line visualization, I chose the agency, and then the salary range from here, salary range from, and then the work location. So you can see it is giving me the line visualization, and if we select any line, then it will highlight that line and it will give me information about that particular line. So if you want to go back to the previous visualization, you just need to press Ctrl Z and it will go back to your previous visualization. Now this is heat maps. So you can see the heat map, the size of map, and the size of the square. You can see it here. It depends upon the salary range. So I wanted to speak about one more thing in the map visualization. You can go here in map and map layers. In the map layer, you can select different type of style, like right now it is a light style and I want to show you the normal style. So in the normal style, the water area of the world will be deep, will be colored a little bit deeper in the blue part, and the land area is kind of whitish. And we can choose the other style. Let's choose the dark style. So it will be like this, and we don't like it.